first night together feels like the first kiss. It's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, you're still the one. First time our eyes met, same feeling I get, only feels much stronger. Want a little longer. You still turn the fire on. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only want to make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I don't know what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Please believe me. Every word I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. As I sit in the smoking room, the night about to end, I pass my time with strangers, but this butter's my only friend. Remembering when we used to park on Boulder Street, out in the dark. Remember when we lost the keys, and you lost more than that in the backseat, baby. Remember how we used to talk about busting out, break the hearts together forever. Never say goodbye, never say goodbye. You and me and my old friends, hoping it would never end. Say goodbye, never say goodbye. Holding on, we gotta try. Holding on to never say goodbye. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. For the morning sun and all its glory, reach the day with hope and comfort too. Fill my heart with laughter, take away and make this better, ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a love left to find, and it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. Ooh, yeah. have I told? There's no one else above you. You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. As we walk the garden mile down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side, till death do us part. Maybe I'll be your friend, but love will never end, till death do us part. When I wake up every day with you lying in my arms, I wonder if I'm dreaming. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true, that my heart belongs to you. Maybe we can have it all. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side, till death do us part. Maybe I'll be your friend, but love will never end, till death do us part.
I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe love can still survive. You don't have to say it, I don't have to read your mind to know the emptiness is finally arrived. How was I to know the right from the wrong? Words that's hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes honestly. What I was meaning was to sort a certain smile. I need you now so I could feel alive. How would you know when you won't give me some time to see everything work out, you'll be mine. Oh, I'll be lost forever, but someday I may find words that I've been searching for, just a piece of time. Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes honestly. Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes honestly. when I go insane, trying to walk through this pain. When I lost my grip and I have the floor, yeah, I knew I could live, I couldn't get out the door. I must have sick and tired of living the life, and I must seem that this time it's amazing. With a blink of an eye, you finally see the light. Oh, it's amazing when the moment arrives until it'll be alright. It's amazing, and I'm saying a prayer with a desperate heart tonight. Walk away if you want to. It's okay if you need to. You can run, but you can never hide from the shadows that's creeping beside you. There's some magic running through your soul, but you can't have it all. Whatever you do, I'll be 2 steps behind you. Wherever you go, I'll be there to remind you that it only takes a minute of your precious time. Turn around, I'll be 2 steps behind. Yeah. Take the time to think about it. Just walk the line, you just confide it. Take a look around, you see what you can find. Like the fire that's burning up inside me. There's some magic running through your soul, but you can't have it all. Whatever you do, I'll be 2 steps behind you. Wherever you go, I'll be there to remind you that it only takes a minute of your precious time. Turn around, I'll be 2 steps behind. I have often told a story about a way live the life a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing your songs, and maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, and I would sure stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. does this confuse it? Shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Every single day I think of the times when you were still mine, and I knew got to get away, get you out of my mind. I got up in time, and I'm blue. I don't miss all the fun that we had. You're always around me. Where are you now? I need you now. If you are around, you will be alright. I don't miss all the fun that we had. You're always around me. Where are you now? I need you now. If you are around, you will be alright. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long, long hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You were wonderful tonight. We go to a party that everyone turns to see. This beautiful lady, she's walking around with me, and then she asked me, I feel wonderful tonight.
All that glitters is gold, and she's mine.